Donato's pizza is known for its thin, crispy crust and edge-to-edge toppings. Many Yelp reviewers appreciate its generous portion sizes and wide range of topping combinations, making it a favorite for large gatherings and casual dining. Customers often highlight the pizza's unique seasoning and consistent quality across locations. However, opinions about its newer bakery crust option are more divided. A Reddit discussion noted that while some customers found the updated crust softer and enjoyable, others missed the original crispy texture. Critics also point out that the thin crust can become overly crunchy at times. Overall, Donato's stands out for its topping heavy pizzas, but its crust changes have sparked mixed reactions from longtime fans.